Have you ever had a task where you were required to fill a long form or gather data from multiple websites, tabs, or sources? Bet it was tedious and took a long time for you to finish. What if I told you there is an easier, quicker way to do so by automating these tasks? Let me introduce you to Magical. Magical is a new tool or a Chrome extension that harnesses the power of AI to help you automate complicated, tedious, and repetitive tasks in a matter of seconds. It's designed to streamline repetitive tasks such as text expansion, data entry, and clipboard management directly from within your browser. It's highly focused on simplifying manual, repetitive workflows. Now, you might be wondering, aren't there many tools that automate tasks for you? Yeah, there is. However, Magical is different. Let me tell you some of the benefits of Magical over other competitors. Now, first of all, it's a Chrome extension. So it sits on top of any website that you open, which integrates it seamlessly into your daily workflow without needing to switch between applications or open new websites or new tabs. Also, it's pretty user-friendly for quick automations within the browser, requiring little to no setup. It also doesn't require any coding, any API, or any integrations. Additionally, it works and integrates seamlessly with over 30,000 services and websites. Also, the cost. It's often more cost-effective, especially for users who only need basic automations within their browser. It offers many features for free that are otherwise paid on other competitor platforms. Finally, the speed. Magical operates within the browser, making it faster for certain tasks like data entry, copying and pasting information, or inserting text template. Now, you can get it in many ways. The first way is by clicking on the link in the description to install it. Second is by going to their website, getmagical.com, and click on Get Started for free here. And if you go to their website, their homepage, you can scroll down to see some features, a representation of some benefits of the extension. And lastly, you can install it from within the Google Chrome extension store. So if I go here in my Google browser and then go Extend to Extensions, visit the Chrome Web Store, and then simply search for Magical. And here it is, the Magical AI Agent. And add to Chrome from here. Now, if you go back to their homepage, click on Get Started for free. You can get started by signing in with your Google account, Microsoft, or your email. Now, in this video, I'm going to install it directly from the Chrome Web Store. Click here on Add to Chrome. Okay, add extension. And now the extension is now added to Chrome. Now it'll redirect me to the same sign-in page that I got to from the website itself. And as you can see here, there is a little pop-up that appears. I'll show you how to use it later. Now, I continue with Google because, as I told you, I wanted to integrate with Google Sheets or the Google Drive suite of apps. So continue with Google. Choose my Google account here. Okay, continue. And now I need to add some basic information. Of course, my name is automatically added because I'm signed in with my Google account. What type of work do you do? Let's say I'm an educator. Do you manage a team? Yes. How did you hear about Magical? Let's say from Instagram. Okay, continue. What task do you want to automate first? Let's say data entry. And now it gives me a test account here with some dummy information just to test the form filling feature or the data scraping feature if I want to gather the data from this profile. And there are other test profiles as well. However, it's better to show you in a real life example. So let me open a new tab here and then open a random LinkedIn profile. So go to LinkedIn. So here I have a LinkedIn profile that I want to gather the data from it and add it as a new contact or add a new contact for this person on my CRM. What I can do is to click on the Magical pop-up right here, and it tells you the data that it was able to extract from the page here, or all the fields that it was able to extract. If I click here on the name, it tells me that it was able to extract the email, the name, headline, company name, school name, address, and so on, and all the fields that are highlighted in green. You can add new field if you find that you have a certain field that you need on the page that is not highlighted. You can click on it and add new field. So let me say I want to add the number of followers as a field here. If I click on it, I can name it followers. Okay, and as you can see here, it suggests the name followers. Save. And as you can see, the followers field is now here visible, and Magical is able to extract it. Now click on done, and it gives you the option here to create a new contact with Zoho CRM, because it does detect that I have a new contact page open for Zoho CRM. All you want to do now is to click on create contact. It'll go to the contact creation tab, and it was able to extract the data matching the fields in the contact creation page. So the name, the title, last name, as well as the description. Now, if there were any other fields that do match the fields here on the contact creation page, it will automatically be able to gather them and get them as well. Now, the second way you can copy the information is by typing in // and it'll show me all the information it can extract from the LinkedIn profile that matches my fields here. So if I go ahead over the first name, for example, click on it. And as you can see here, it got the name, the first name, last name, the title, and that's it, because these are all the information that matches the fields right here. Now, this is for the form filling feature. As you can see, I filled in the form effortlessly, seamlessly, in the matter of seconds. Now, let me show you the other feature here that I want to show in this video, which is the data scraping or data gathering. So let's say that I have many pages on LinkedIn or many profiles on LinkedIn that I want to gather their data in like a spreadsheet. So let me open up some other tabs on LinkedIn. Okay, so now I have like 7 tabs or 7 accounts, LinkedIn accounts opened, each one in a separate tab here. And let's say I want to gather all their data in one spreadsheet. So again, click on the handy little magical pop-up right here, and it'll get you some options to create new contact, create a new form here, export the contact or export the information on this page to a new form. Let's say you created a Google form that you want to add the information to, or add to a new spreadsheet. So click on it. Okay, it'll ask me if I want to copy the information from just this tab or all the tabs that are opened, in this case all tabs, and it'll open a new Google Sheet, and it'll get or copy all the information in this sheet. And now, even though I did sign up with my Google account, it does require me to grant access to Google Sheets. So it does recognize automatically my Google account, but it does need, again, access to Google Sheets. So I click on grant access, click on my Google account, continue. Okay, continue. It'll open up Google Sheets in a new tab, and in a few moments, you'll find that it'll extract all the information from all the open tabs into this sheet right here. So give it some seconds to finish. Now, as you can see, in a matter of seconds, it did gather all the information or extract all the information from all the open tabs into one Google Sheet. And it is organized by full name, last name, job title, company name, school URL, address, and so on. So here you can scroll down to see the information. Now, you might notice that it only added 6, not 7 rows, because one of the tabs that are opened is a company. It's for a company, so the Emirates Education Platform. It's not like a person's URL, so it was intelligently able to detect that this is not like a person that I need to add or copy their information, and thus it didn't include it in the sheet right here. So that's pretty cool. So even if you open one company tab by mistake, it will be able eventually to recognize that it's not a person, it's not a contact information page, and it won't include it. So that's the power of AI for you. Now, I do encourage you to go ahead and click on the link in the description below to go ahead and download Magical, or go to the Chrome extension store as I did and install Magical to be able to enjoy all its features and benefits and save yourselves hours and hours of tedious work every week by automating all these tasks.